Kyle, ano yung mga challenges na pinagdadaanan mo sa mga business, sa business?
It's hard to scale good content. Yun yung, for me, biggest challenge namin ngayon. Kasi, di ba, katulad na sinabi ko, when you're building a brand, every detail matters. Finding the right person to know and understand the detail, mahirap yun. Number 2, training people on how to understand the detail is hard. And then at the same time, building a team that would understand the cost, the effort na kailangan mo ilagay. Diba, sabi nga nila, pag nag-work ka sa ad agency, walang tulugan. Diba, yung mga sinasabi nila.
Kasi pwedeng mamaya, actually, ganun yung nangyari. No? Parang maganda ngayon, tapos mamaya, parang hindi ganun kaganda yung ads.
Correct. So,
pwedeng masunog yung budget ni client.
Yes. So that's why kami, we always have to adapt all the time. So imagine, may isa kaming client, pabagsak yung sales nila. Call ako ng team, sabi ko, guys, hindi tayo matutulog hanggang di natin solve to. And then the same day, we produced 30 reels for that client. Ni-release namin sa ads, ni-release namin sa Facebook, sa Instagram, lahat. And then, just because of that, nagbago yung trajectory ng business. Pero imagine, if hindi namin gagawin yun, anong mangyayari? But the biggest problem is, how do you scale that type? Kasi yun, sinabi ko sa buong team ko, guys, wala kayong magagawin kundi ito lang. So, di ba? Then nasira yung process nila.
Yes, kasi meron pang ibang ginagawa.
Yes, so at the end of the day, I think it's everyone's problem. It's hard to scale good content. No? Madali lang mag-release ng content. Pero yung mag-isip ng content araw-araw, nakakabaliw din siya. So,
nakakaubos din ng idea.
Yes. So, yun yung mga ano namin. That's why today, thankfully, di ba, there's AI to help you. There's a lot of tools. So, yun yung yun yung challenge, and the best way to solve it is find the right people talaga.